Welcome to Mallard Lakes Estates. Custom built in 1989, this all-brick 2-story, 5-bedroom, 5.1 bathroom home has so much to offer. Great for an in-law arrangement, investment or multi-generational home because it has 2 full kitchens and 2 separate laundry rooms, 3-car garage, separate spaces, yet open floor layout, a must-see. This well/septic property is unlike others in that it's fresh Lake Superior water. Builder dug down 250 feet down to tap in, so it's not Lake Michigan water. And best part, no water bill. Cruise up the circular drive, enter the arched wrought iron gates to the front entryway. Step inside this light and bright 2-story foyer with gleaming marble floors and relax in the family room, or pass the first floor powder room to the open layout family room with cozy fireplace and full service wet bar, great for all your entertaining needs. This space opens to the large and bright dining room overlooking a serene yard and large kitchen with tons of cabinet space, huge center island and black appliances. The hardwood stairs lead to the second level with marble flooring throughout, and all 5 bedrooms are carpeted with ceiling fans, large closets, huge bright windows, and 2 private balconies. Head downstairs to the finished basement with another family room, huge full kitchen, full bathroom, sauna room, and recreation/bonus area. In addition, there is a large storage room with concrete floors, washer/dryer and separate mechanicals room, and more. Enter the 3-car, attached garage and you'll find a separate laundry/mud room with full-size washer/dryer, full bathroom, and a yard access exit. Close to shopping, schools, and transportation. Home could use some TLC but should pass an FHA inspection. Highly motivated, so bring your creative ideas and all offers.